Folks, this is some major news out of North Carolina that I decided it's way too important not to have talk about because, folks, this is a dangerous thing that the North Carolina Supreme Court and the NAACP garbage is trying to do. Now, before I forget, there's going to be a second video today. This is just the first video, giving you guys details of how bad this possible Supreme Court decision in North Carolina could be and how damaged this country could be if it actually happens. So, originally I thought, okay, it's just, they're going to challenge the voter ID stuff again, which, by the way, was passed via an amendment voted by the people by like 60-40 margins, landslide margins for voter ID in 2018. A blue wave year? In a blue wave year, it still got over like 60% of the vote or whatever it was. But here's the thing though. They're not just going after that. Oh no, that's peanuts. This is what they're going after. You read this here, and then I realized this is something that could damage this country, could completely nullify this entire country's existence. If this precedent is set, we're screwed. Alright, let's hope to God that the actual Supreme Court, not these clowns, actually step and be like, fuck off, that's not how it's supposed to work. So essentially they're saying that because the 2018 maps were gerrymandered, everything the legislator did, including a statewide amendment voted by the people, is illegal and nullified. You just heard that right. They are claiming that because the gerrymandered districts happened, alright? They happened in 2018. They were deemed unconstitutional. Everything they did, alright, during that entire time was illegal, and they should be nullified immediately. This is some dangerous shit, and both sides of the political aisle should realize this may be the dumbest thing you've heard all day, alright? You're going to hear some dumber things later on today, but you get the point that this is seriously dangerous. I mean, the group is saying that, the voter ID stuff, it shouldn't have been a pass because, the GQP mandated the map. And the state constitutional tax cap was also a GQP mandate. With anybody with a brain would realize, can you imagine the precedent this sets? You can make the argument that every single map in the history of the United States when it comes to redistricting were gerrymanders. You know what that means? Essentially, every law ever frickin' passed could essentially be nullified because it was gerrymandered maps. I mean, do people not understand how dangerous this is? And I know like 90% of people would realize this may be the dumbest thing they've heard all day. But again, I don't think it's going to happen, but knowing the Supreme Court that claimed this map, alright, was somehow splitting up black voting rights, was illegal, all that, I would not be surprised if they really thought, if it's a redistricting that was illegal, that means everything they did was nullified, should be gotten rid of. Again, youth talk about freaking just making laws from the bench. They could create entire new sections of laws from this. They could eliminate every single law in existence. You can make the argument for that. Even amendments aren't safe from this. Yeah, remember? The voter ID amendment, the Constitution tax cap, all of that. That's all under danger. This, folks, is some serious shit. Again, contact everybody you know in the North Carolina state legislature. Tell them to impeach these clowns. Because if they actually go through with this, everything this country, has done with laws, amendments, all of that, could potentially be nullified in the name of gerrymandered maps. This is one of the most dangerous precedent-setting cases we could potentially ever have. So again, contact state legislators in North Carolina. Tell them to impeach these clowns because this can get bad quickly. If other states start doing this, we may not have a country anymore. So we got to stand up, contact North Carolina state legislators, and let's get this shit fixed, alright? So yeah, that's the first video of today, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Godspeed to all of you.